Hello guys. My name is John Luis. Today we will talk about the best 4 platforms to start trading. Please subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more videos. The first 2 platforms are for stocks trading. The last 2 platforms are for CFDs. You can buy and sell them as well. These companies are public and traded on the stocks exchange. CFDs trading enables you to speculate on the rising or falling prices of fast-moving global financial markets, or instruments, such as shares, indices, commodities, currencies and treasuries. So, where should I invest my money? If you live in America, pay attention to the next trading platforms. If you live outside of America, skip to minute 1 and 45 seconds. The first platform we will talk about is Robinhood. American company. This platform is self-service, nobody will talk to you. Let's take a closer look on the platform. This is the dashboard. Robinhood has 0 fees, means, you trade for free. It is very easy to use and very friendly. As you see, you have all news about the company you choose. This will help you find more information about companies and help you decide where to invest and how to make money. As you can see here, you can look at all the stocks you have, this called portfolio. On the dashboard you can search general stocks and get better understanding what to buy. Check for new stocks and get suggestions. Robinhood is the best platform for beginners. Robinhood has app and website. Links can be found on the description below. Now let's talk about the second best platform, Interactive Brokers. Worldwide company. This is a great place to start. Let's talk a bit more about them. This is how the platform looks. A bit confusing for first look, but you will get used to it. As you can see, you have a lot of data and numbers. The best thing here is that they have demo account. One of the benefits of this company that they have a lot of data in one screen. Means you can do multi-trading. Watch many stocks at once. It is very useful if you're going to trade every day. Because of all the indicates, you can generate more ideas and information about stocks. Sign up quick to a demo account and start feeling the ground. It's free. Interactive brokers have low fees. The fees are changed from country to country. Cause of the fees, in some countries you will have a broker. Someone to talk to and share ideas. They provide support and small guides. Interactive is worldwide company. Most of the people around the world can trade with them. This company is for people that are willing to go hardcore and try to become professionals. If you are looking for something more simple, go for Robinhood. Link to Interactive Brokers can be found on the description below. Now we will talk about CFDs. Basically, CFDs is trading on a price of an asset, not hold it. You can trade on anything. You can trade CFDs 24/7, every day, from everywhere. If you want to learn more about CFDs, click on the icon now. Now let's talk about the third platform. Welcome to eToro. This is an amazing trading platform. Israeli company. The trading here is a bit different. As said before, it called CFDs. Means, you don't hold the assets but trade on the movement of the price. Means, you can make money if the price goes up or goes down. All depends on your prediction. This is the dashboard. It works on a simple way. You bet if the price goes up or down on a specific time frame. Here you can see suggestions and news. Here you can copy other traders, the system will do same actions as they do. The biggest benefit of eToro is the copy system. It will auto-trade for you. You can choose who you want to copy based on their performance. So, how does it work? You look for someone that trades the stocks you want to trade. You will see his performance, when he wins and loses statistics. Based on that, decide if it fits you. It is a great way to learn and also amazing tool for a beginner to get started making some money. Remember, you will put your money on someone else's hands. Split the risk between few traders to copy. The best thing here is, you do not need a lot of money to get started. You can start with $200. Best thing is to start with few hundreds. For Australia and USA clients, it's just $50 to get started. In order to get started, Use demo account for free. Remember, USA clients can trade only crypto on eToro. The platform is so easy to use. It has low fees and very friendly. eToro has mobile app and website. It is a great place to get started. Check the links below to get started. And remember, trading puts your capital on risk. Let's talk about another great CFDs company. Plus 500. Israeli global company. Probably the best of for trading CFDs. Trade anything 24/7. This company is very similar to eToro. The difference here is you can take huge leverage. Means, if you have $100, you can take leverage by 10 and start trading like you have $1,000. By this you will be able to make more money, or lose your money. It works on both ways. Simple explanation. If you invest $100 and take leverage of 10, you have $1,000 to trade. If price of your asset goes up on 10%, you make 10% of the $1,000. Means, you make $100 from $100 investment. If the prices goes down on 10%, you lose all your $100. Be careful. Like eToro, it is a self-service platform and you can start with very low amount of money. This is how the website looks. It has mobile app as well. This is how the dashboard looks. Easy to use. It has trail account as well. Just click buy or sell and choose the amount you want to trade. Remember, leverage changed from asset to asset. Plus 500 is the biggest company for CFDs around the world. If you use leverage careful, you can print shit a lot of money. In order to start trading, sign up on the link below. Verify your account, add funds and get started. Remember, your capital is on risk. To learn more about CFDs, click on the icon. Hope you like my content. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do it now. Do not forget to like and ask any question you have on comment. On the next video I will review for you eToro and plus 500. I made a comparison for you. Let's see who is better for you and why. See ya.